All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name's Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and this is what we do full time. The channel is all about helping people find programs and products that they can make money online with. And that's what we do. So we put these videos out every day to show people that it is possible to make money online. Some of it is really easy to do. Some of it takes a little more time, but it a little bit harder, but none of it's really that hard, right? You just have to set your mind to it and go and do it. We've got several different series on the channel. Right now, we're working on this one here, the Clickbank series, where we're using MLGS and just copy and paste pre-written emails to see if we can make some income that way, which we've proven we can. We've got this one, which is another program I work with, which is doing very well. This is a program that is also doing well, the program I work with, and this is a brand new program we started working with. It is supplements, and so far it is doing very well. We've only been into it a few days. We've already got signups, and we're already making money with this. So what we are doing, we're doing a series. It's not going to be daily, but it's going to be fairly close to daily or every other day, showing you exactly how to promote with this system. And if you come in here, there is actually a free tour. So you can get in here and you can take the free tour of this system and see what it's all about. And you can see the pay matrix and how everything works inside there. So it's pretty cool. So take the free tour and check it out. But we're going to jump into this series right here, our Clickbank series, and we're going to continue that today. So if you get any value out of these videos, please give us a like on them, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We appreciate it. We appreciate the support, and it allows us to keep doing these videos and putting these out and trying to help people find ways to make money so they can quit that 9-to-5 and just work for themselves. All right, so let's jump into our Clickbank account and just check some stats. Like always, we check stats every day. Now, if this is the first video you're landing on, you're going to want to go back to all the way to the beginning at video number 1 and start there. This is not where you're going to want to start. So we've already done quite a bit in here. Go, let's see, 60-day. Oh, we want to go into our accounts. Oh, we were. There we go. That's what we want. Okay, so today, so far today, and like I said, we haven't sent our emails out today. We're getting ready to do that here in a minute. But we have had 168 visits to our link. So that's good. Still getting traffic in there. And then for the full period, let's see what we're looking at. Okay, so still getting plenty of traffic pushed through here. 4,415 hits to our link. And this is actually day 13 of running this this promotion. This will be day 33 in the full series. So total 8,150 leads have clicked on this, and we have so far we have made $60.33, and then any upsells are going to come with this. So we will start seeing those here next month. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so let's jump into our My Lead Gen Secret, our first account, and go ahead and get this email out. Now, what I've got is, here's the email we'll be working with today. This is in the Google Doc below this video. I've got a Google Doc in there, along with a link for MLGS Now, when you join MLGS, you're going to want to go back to that first video and see how to daisy chain your accounts. So that way you get a discount and you also get to double your leads per day. You're going to want to do that for sure. All right, so we're going to use this email today. I've already kind of ran through it real quick. It's fine. It's pretty basic. It's like all the others. I didn't really see any typos in here. And it all seemed to make sense. So I'm going to move this back over here. We're going to get logged in to our first account. Now, as always, we don't need any of this. We're going to click right here, mailing system, select all. So today we're emailing just this account, 6,700 leads out of this account. So we'll go over here and we're going to grab our subject. And this one has a pre-header. We'll probably go ahead and use that pre-header today just to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to grab our full email, Control C, and I'm going to highlight here and Control V. And then, as always, going to get rid of the bold. And we'll change this short code to reflect here in the system. Control C and Control V and comma. All right, so there's our email in there. Let's grab that pre-header. Control C, Control V, and I'm going to leave that bold. All right, so we'll go down here and we'll create our link. So you put your ID in there, and then I'm going to highlight, Control C to copy, and then we're going to see where to place this. So right here for sure. Control V. Then OK, size, we're going to come up one size, and I'm going to bold that. And then it should be here too. So we'll go there too. Control V, OK, and we're just going to bold that. We're going to leave the size the same. Right here, we're going to change our set of signature to our name. Yeah. And we're going to get rid of this link because we've already got it placed now. And we've in the past, we've come in here and we've highlighted or we've bolded some of this so it stands out. We can do that again. And you can play with it. You can do whatever you want with this. Change things, change sizes. If a lot of shorter emails, I'll make the size a size 16 so it really stands out more. But some of these are a little bit longer, so I haven't been doing that. But just depending on what emails we're sending, what kind of system we're running, we'll kind of dictate what we decide to do on these. And you can do pretty well whatever you want to do. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you think is going to get clicks. All right, so this is done. We're going to click perfect timing, and then we're going to highlight, Control C, and then send it. All right, so we'll duplicate this page, and we're going to go log out. And then log into our next one, which would be account number 2. So again, mailing system, select all. We're emailing 3,400 on this account. Come all the way down because we've already got our email. We're going to do Control V. Perfect timing. We'll go all the way up here to subject. Grab our subject. Control C, Control V. And then we're going to grab that email. Control C. And send. All right, and then we just switched back and forth between our two tabs. We're going to go here, log out, log into number 3. Now, if you only run 2 accounts, you'll be done with this by now. 3,400 on this account. So we're going to highlight, Control V, perfect timing, and subject we'll grab from our document. Control C, Control V. All right, we're going to grab our email again, Control C, and send. All right, we'll go grab our next account. So log out, log into number 4. Mailing system, select all, 3,400 on this account as well. We're going to highlight our email, or highlight there so we can paste our email. Perfect timing, scroll up, subject, Control C, Control V, all the way down, highlight our email, Control C, and send. All right, so one more time, we're going to go to our other tab, log out, log into number 5. And on this account, we're going to email 6,000 people. We're going to highlight here. We're going to go Control V, perfect timing. And then grab our subject one last time, Control C, Control V, all the way down, and send. All right, so our emails are sent. We just marketed to probably 25,000 ish, without doing any math, just doing some quick math, probably close to that. So what we can do now is you just go about your day, right? You're done. You've got your ads out. We didn't have to write anything. We used strictly copy and paste, and then we wrapped up our day. So we didn't make a sale today, but if things are following the pattern they have been, we should see a sale tomorrow. So tune back in tomorrow for the next video. We'll see if we made another sale. We'll go over our stats, and we'll see if we can predict when that next sale is going to come in. In the meantime, go watch some of the other series. Check out the new one. It's going to be big. It's brand new, hasn't been out for long at all, so you're going to want to reserve your spot. So make sure you get that done. As always, my number's on the bottom. If you have questions, shoot me a text, whatever you need to do. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like on this video. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.